Hello everyone. So this is a question from JEE Advanced 2026 paper 1. Reaction of PtF6 with oxygen gas results in the formation of an ionic compound X plus Y minus. Correct statements is R. So there are a few options given to us. The chapters involved is P block 12th, chemical bonding, D and F block. Okay. So before 1962, people used to think, noble gases don't combine at all, and hence no compounds of noble gases are possible. But in 1962, there was a guy called Neil Bartlett. He observed that platinum hexafluoride, that is PtF6. So this guy is platinum hexafluoride, and it's a powerful oxidizing agent. It reacts with dioxygen. So it reacts with dioxygen to yield an ionic solid to give us an ionic solid, and that guy's name is dioxygenyl hexafluoroplatinate. Platinate 5. Okay, so that is, with respect to reaction, I can write O2 gaseous plus PtF6 gaseous gives us O2 plus brackets on PtF6 minus solid. Okay, so this is our X plus and this is our Y minus. Okay, so that is given to us in the question. Okay, so in this reaction, in this particular reaction, O2 has been oxidized to O2 plus by PtF6. Okay, so coming back to the options, A. A says that the bond order of X plus is 1.5. Okay, bond order of X plus is 1.5. Okay, so X plus is, as we found out, it is O2 plus. Okay, so the name of this guy is dioxygenyl. Okay, so the electronic configuration of O2 molecule is sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 sigma 2pz 2 pi 2px2, which is equal to pi 2p y2 pi star 2px1, which is equal to pi star 2p y1. Okay, so this is the configuration of O2, and O2 plus is formed by the loss of one electron from O2 molecule. Okay, so this electron, that is the one electron from O2, will be lost from either pi star 2px or from pi star 2py. Okay, so therefore the electronic configuration of O2 plus ion will be, so I remove the electron from pi star 2py. So this is the electronic configuration of O2 plus. Okay, so therefore the number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbital will be equal to, so I will underline the bonding molecular orbitals. So there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 electrons, and number of electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital will be equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, bond order, as we know, it is equal to half of number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. So therefore, it will be equal to half of 10 minus 5, which is equal to 2.5. So therefore, statement A is incorrect. Then statement B says that the valence d orbitals of the metal ion in X plus Y minus has 5 electrons. Okay. So to find the charge on the metal ion, assume it as X. So therefore, Pt becomes Ptx plus. Okay. So therefore, X plus 6 into minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. Okay. So this minus 1 is the charge of each fluoride ion, and this minus 1 is the overall charge of PtF6 minus. Okay. So therefore, X will be equal to minus 1 plus 6, which is equal to plus 5. So therefore, the metal ion is Pt plus 5. Okay. So the electronic configuration of Pt, platinum, whose atomic number is 78, is xenon 4f14 5d9 6s1. Okay. So therefore, the electronic configuration of Pt plus 5 will be, so we have to remove 5 electrons, so remove 1 from here and remove 4 from here, so we'll be left with xenon 4f14 5d5. Okay, so therefore the valence d orbitals has 5 electrons, therefore option B is correct. Okay, now coming to statement C, which says that PtF6 acts as an oxidant in this reaction. Okay, so oxidant is the other name for oxidizing agent, very important. So oxidant is nothing but our oxidizing agent. An oxidizing agent removes electron and itself gets reduced by gaining those electrons. Okay, so we have already discussed, that is, you can see here PtF6 is our oxidizing agent. Okay, because this guy takes electron from O2 and converts O2 into O2 plus, and in that process it gains those electron and it itself becomes PtF6 minus. So therefore PtF6 is the oxidant or the oxidizing agent. So therefore option C is correct. Okay, coming to option D, which says that PtF6 acts as a fluorinating agent in this reaction. Okay, so a fluorinating agent is a chemical substance used to introduce one or more fluorine atoms into a molecule. Okay, so it is used to introduce one or more fluorine atoms into a molecule. Okay, so statement D is incorrect because after the reaction, that is O2, when it reacts with PtF6 gaseous, giving me O2 plus and PtF6 minus, fluorine atoms remain bonded to the Pt. So here also we have PtF6, here also we have Pt. So all the fluorine is bonded to platinum, here also fluorine is bonded to platinum. Okay, so the fluorine atoms remain bonded to the platinum and are not transferred to the oxygen atom. They are not transferred. So therefore no fluorination takes place. So therefore statement D is incorrect. Okay, so therefore the final answer is, the correct statements are B and C. Okay, thank you.